I love you. Mới cho mắc ball pao. Okay, mới cho mắc ball pao.
Naughty boy.
I'm naughty.
Yeah,
Bro,
no.
he's a good boy.
Yeah, I'm not good. Yeah, actually, I'm good. I think. Yeah, wait, guys. Wait, bro.
You started?
Yeah, I think so. I'll start for now.
মানে ইয়াতে ফটো উঠিব নেকি?
Hey, man, stop that, man.
ভাল জায়গাত যাম।
Yeah, okay.
Show me,
Yeah, yo, bro, show me your photograph of your face, bro. Yeah, friends here, this boy too. Yeah, bro, this.
Please sabaracarai sarak.
Okay, I'll start from now. I think so. Okay. Let that car pass one. Okay.
Car will stop now.
Will stop now. Then okay, say hi again. We'll start it again. Hi. Hey, bro.
Hi.
And so hello guys, welcome back to another video. And today we will be going to this guys. Yeah.
Yeah.
Where you are going?
Vishal
So, Megamart.
Megamart.
Yeah, bro.
Then have you been there?
I have to buy something like bottle.
Like bottles, no?
Perfume.
Yeah, man.
Not
Chips, chocolates.
No, but you
Daily
you
needs.
tell me you will buy only
Oh my god, English!
ice creams, no? Ice creams.
I'll
Man.
come out of just to eat ice cream.
Yeah, bro.
It's too fancy.
Yeah,
For
man.
me.
Then for me, I don't know, man, which I want to buy. I'll just buy one pen only. Because exam is approaching. Then, so I think, guys, you like you get bored with our video.
Let's go
Like,
here.
we are not good at it, okay, but just give us your support. Yeah,
Yeah,
because at the started it's like very hard for us
Do
stuff
like
to do. Yeah,
To like, subscribe,
yeah,
share.
do share.
Yeah, do share.
Yeah, as you have seen this
Yeah.
handsome weird man, weird boy here is here. Yeah.
Let's take a shortcut, bro.
So that yeah,
Yeah,
we
bro.
have to end it. Okay.
Let's go to village area.
Yeah, please,
Yeah.
then I'll
See some people.
Yeah,
Here.
this shop now.
Yeah.
Like local village.
Yes, bro.
Okay, bro. Taxi from here. On this side.
We have to cross the road now.
You have to go service first. Oh yeah. Okay, bro. You have to do now. You just hold my hand, bro.
I'll hold your hand.
I don't know
Let's
what is
go.
happening here, man.
Let's go. There's no
What is happening here, man? Hey.
something will happen.
Yeah, man.
Something will happen in March in the bathroom.
Okay, at first we have. Yeah.
Changing room.
We have crossed the road and we are waiting for taxi. Follow turbo. Come on.
Yeah, hey, hi, bro.
Hey, hi, man. Yeah, we are.
We are too much, bro. Show me
It's
that
too much,
too much shopping,
Ah,
na.
He have bought too much, bro. So many things. He bought too many things.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I bought only one, bro. Only ice cream. Only ice cream.
Just for me.
Yeah, just.
That's not for you, only for me,
Yeah,
na.
I also know. I eat as well. Then this boy. Yeah. Actually,
coming
we
from
just pick up for this boy, no.
He's coming from home.
Long distance, okay.
Yeah.
Just say hi, bro. It's just for you. This video is just for you.
Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome, bro. Now it is very good and the weather also nice.
Where is Hillary?
Larry is in hostel. Yeah. And now the weather also is very good, bro. Like it's very clear, no. The surrounding also, bro.
He is very naughty boy.
Naughty boy. No, bro.
Naughty boy.
No, bro. I'm still like innocent, bro. Okay. I'm so innocent, man.
You look like innocent, but you are naughty.
I'm naughty.
Yeah.
No, never, bro.
कैसे कैसे लोग रहते हैं यार यहाँ पर?
Okay, yeah. Okay. Silong Komno. Say it again, bro.
Pilong Komno.
Yeah, it means like, how are you now?
Yeah.
Then, yeah.
Nabyang.
Ngabyang.
Yeah.
Alright. Yeah,
I'm
you
fine.
can say, yeah, I'm fine, yes. And so far, these guys have taught me Assamese. Like, I love you, no, you have taught me. I love you. Moi chumak bhal pao.
Yeah.
Okay, moi chumak bhal pao. Then it means like, the reply, if I love you too.
Yeah.
And I forgot, man.
Then say,
Oh, man, just confirm. Just confirm, man. Like, I love you too. Like, moi chumak bhal pao.
Moyut Makulpa.
Moi chumak bhal pao. Yeah, so sad,
love
guys.
you
Like, I have been here like maybe around 2 months, yeah. Yeah, around 2 months, but I have learned only few things about Assamese, like language Assamese. Yeah, but I will come across about it to learn, and these guys, they are ready to teach me Assamese. Yeah, you are ready, right?
Yes.
Okay, every time, bro. In case in anything, I'll ask in Assamese. Okay, these guys, they are ready to help me. This side, no. This side, okay. This side, no. We'll take picture this side. Hey, busy boy.
Beautiful nature. Oh,
This side, man. This side. Oh, yeah.
Một message send ở đây con bảo Phật đi ấy. Hey, ôi gì cơ?
Hey, Bazaar.
Phật con có đấy.
Yeah, man, in the video, man, today.
Hello, your YouTuber bro is
Yeah. Nice haircut. Thank you, bro. But actually, I don't like it. I think so. But thank you for your compliment. But
how was your vacation?
I just stay here, bro. I stay here. I did not go home, man. Yeah. All of you know you have such you heavy load, bro. Heavy load.
Looks a bit too handsome, no?
Yeah, he's not just
Me
handsome.
handsome.
Yeah.
What about you two?
No, man.
You
You
are
are
cute and handsome, man.
so cute.
Don't say combination, na? Then you would look smart too. Yeah, bro.
Smart too.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll try to be smart, but not cute, bro. And these guys look at them, and they are so heavy load, no?
Yeah.
Okay, heavy load.
Acting boy is
Yes,
very
bro.
handsome.
Yeah, so yeah, I think it's time to end up this video, no?
Yeah.
Although it's a short video, and yeah, we have more fun now. We have it.
Go to the hostel.
Yeah. Yeah, man. Boss, and just for some time we will end up this video, and these guys also.
It was a nice Sunday.
Yeah, it's nice Sunday, no?
Yep.
Yeah, for you also, like, just like you come back today. Yeah, bro. Welcome back to.
Girls do follow her.
Yeah.
He's a good boy.
Yeah, and you guys also.
He's a naughty boy.
I'm naughty.
Yeah,
no, bro,
No.
he's a good boy.
Yeah, I'm not good. Yeah, actually, I'm good. I think so. Hey, this busy boy. Hey, busy boy. I have to end up this video here now. Then if you want to say something, take your time, man. Come on. You want to say something? You want to say
found
something
all
to the
that
viewers?
day.
Yeah,
In
fun.
this journey, we found all that day.
Yes, bro. Me
Went
too.
to market.
Yeah. Went to.
Buy ice cream for me. Ice cream, give your ice cream.
Yeah,
free.
yeah. You
It's
too
all
also,
the
no?
fun. And this that. It's
Yeah,
fun
yeah. You
beginning,
too.
no?
Buy me a lot.
Because
like,
we meet
Juice.
2 people more na, like Bazar, Kaushik,
Yeah, yeah, man.
Oi, oi.
It's just like we pick up.
handsome
of
boy
them,
like
pick
him
up them.
na.
Or him.
See his smile na.
Or him.
See his smile.
Yeah, we will end up this video. Okay, here again. Then so hello guys. So guys, this video will be end up at this time, and do follow us on Instagram.
Ê, này photo thì sao?
Now, yeah,
Photo thì sao?
yeah. I don't understand
Photo
what
thì sao? Này này, ê, mana sabar kan?
Yeah, okay. I think you guys, yeah, it is like it's a blur video. No? We cannot make in like
Interesting now.
interesting video.
Okay.
Then, but we try our best, no?
Yeah,
we
level
try our
best.
best. Yeah,
Ah, kok.
Next
Okay.
time it will be
Next.
more
fun, no?
na.
Yeah, we will.
To like,
half
comment,
time.
and subscribe.
Do like, share, and subscribe. Yes. And okay,
Bye-bye.
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 Thank
Next
you.
time.
Next time. We meet you next time.
Yeah.
Bye bye.
Bye-bye. It's
Bye-bye.
once again. Bye-bye.
Tata.
Tata, gaya.
Episode log pa su.
Episode lock pa. Sa ako lock home.
Ako lock home.
home.
I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fake.